Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Indra Suka.
And I am Rizky Kamila Putri.
I'm Real Amani.
So, we will present about phonology, the definition of phonology, phonological process, and the example. Okay, first, I'm going to explain the definition. Phonology is the study of language. It focuses on how sounds are produced and how they are functioned to distinguish meaning. So, it's not only about the physical sounds, but also their function in communication. Okay, next.
Okay, the next is free variation. Free variation means that a sound can be pronounced in more than one way without changing the meaning of the word. People may pronounce the same differently because of accent, the dialect, or speaking style. And the next is phonological process. Phonological process are changes in sound that happen naturally during speech. This process helps people speak more quickly and smoothly in everyday conversation. There are several common phonological processes such as insertion, deletion, assimilation, and neutralization. These changes are very common in spoken English, especially in fast or informal speech. That is why sometimes native speakers sound different from the way words are written. And the next is insertion. Insertion happens when an extra sound is added to a word to make pronunciation easier or smoother. This process helps speakers pronounce words more naturally and comfortably during conversation.
Okay, the next is duration. Duration happens when a sound is removed in speech. For example, word don't can be pronounced without the third sound. The third sound is drop. And the next is assimilation. Assimilation is when a sound becomes similar to a nearby sound. For example, handbag can be pronounced as handbag. N-N-G-2-N. And the next is neutralization. Neutralization happens when two different sounds become the same in certain context. So the difference between them is no longer clear. Is no longer clear. And the last is example. You can see here the example is I don't know.
I don't know.
This is a past speech. When we pronounce I don't know and past speech, this is the way to pronounce. Sound E becomes E because of power reduction. This is and don't becomes this because of duration. And the last is no becomes this because of power reduction. And the sound is low voice and to power reduction when unstressed before consonant. And the stop sound. Stop sound. The sound is alveolar, voiceless, and stop. And the last is no. The no is mid, voice, to power reduction when unstressed at end of place.
Okay, the conclusion is phonology is a study sound system and language. Sounds affect meaning and speech often change in real communication. The first one is how improve communication and understanding. Maybe that's all.